Let's take a closer look at the GemSpace and GemTeam products from a business perspective and examine how quantitative indicators that may be of interest to prospective investors play their role. Accurate data and key metrics will allow us to objectively assess the potential of the projects, their competitive advantages, and their real appeal in the market today. This approach will help identify growth points, determine possible risks, and form a strategy for further development and investment. The first key indicator to pay attention to is the number of application downloads. This parameter clearly reflects user interest and demand for our application. The higher the number of installations, the more obvious it is that GemSpace is attracting more and more attention and confidently finding its audience. The number of active users is also a very important indicator. Today, this factor largely determines the market value and success of any IT project. In the case of GemSpace, the results are truly impressive. Almost 50 million users worldwide have already chosen and installed GemSpace on their devices. The rapid growth in the number of users is the result of an effective strategy to attract and retain customers, as well as evidence of the demand for the unique functionality that GemSpace offers its users from different countries today. Thus, GemSpace's active and constantly growing user base is not only an important criterion for assessing the value and investment appeal of the project, but is also confirmation of its sustainable growth in the market. The audit assessments of the GemSpace application conducted by independent European entities from 2017 to 2024 deserve special attention. During this period, the value of the project increased 35 times and approached the $2 billion mark. This is an impressive result that clearly highlights the success of the chosen strategy. Another independent assessment is planned for early 2026, and given the current dynamics, the value is expected to be significantly higher than the previous one. We see that the application is widely recognized in the market and is of interest not only to users but also to the professional investment community and potential buyers. These indicators are the result of successful development, the introduction of innovative functionality, and high demand for the product across the world. And all of this makes the project particularly attractive to investors and confirms its leading position in the global market today. One of the key distinguishing features of the project is its unique economic structure. It is particularly important to emphasize that assets within GemSpace are not subject to market fluctuations, which opens up new opportunities for investors. This approach to asset management ensures stability and a high degree of reliability. GemSpace assets and shares are not traded on exchanges and are not dependent on constant changes in financial markets, due to which their value grows gradually and steadily. This provides confidence in the safety and stable growth of invested funds, regardless of external market conditions. Moreover, GemSpace Super App is currently at the active sales stage, which opens up a unique opportunity for investors to make investments with minimal risk in a promising and already mature project. A key factor is that GemSpace has successfully passed the most difficult and challenging stages of any startup's development, the so-called Valley of Death and the early growth stage. These periods are traditionally considered the most risky for young companies, and by far not all of them manage to overcome these. Successful completion of these stages demonstrates the high viability, sustainability, and significant potential of the project. Thus, the current stage of the project's development provides investors with a rare opportunity to invest in a product that has already been tested by time and the market, while also minimizing risks. Let's take a look at the figures that clearly reflect the impressive achievements and potential of the project. More than 50,000 investors from 89 countries around the world have already invested in the project, which demonstrates broad international support and a high level of trust. To date, more than 49 million active users are using the GemSpace Super App, confirming its popularity, demand, and competitiveness in the market. An independent valuation of the project is approaching $2 billion, underscoring its uniqueness and significant potential. The project is in the sales stage, which indicates dynamic development and the approach of the stage of receiving shareholder income. All of these factors clearly demonstrate the appeal of GemSpace for both investors and users, confirming its strong position and prospects in the international arena. Furthermore, the Gem Team application also has unique advantages. No competitors. The application has no analogs on the market today, which ensures high demand and a unique position amongst potential buyers. Flexibility and adaptability. The technological solution is easily customized to the individual requirements of each client, making it a universal tool for different areas of business. Scalability. The application is created once and can be deployed multiple times on buyers' servers, which greatly simplifies the implementation and maintenance process. And of course, long-term income for investors and shareholders, as the sale of licenses allows for stable dividend income over many years. Due to our active participation in international summits, forums, and exhibitions, the Gem Team application has been comprehensively presented to a wide global audience. The market response has been extremely positive, as interest in the project has been shown by government and private organizations and potential partners interested in studying our development roadmap. As the result of each participation in every international exhibition, we note a significant increase in the number of new contacts and an increase in the number of preliminary cooperation agreements. We constantly receive requests for demo versions of the product and localized testing. At the summit in Qatar alone, more than 260 promising contacts were established, and 27 personal product demonstrations were conducted, with a high probability of signing memorandums of understanding in the future. In addition, 5 demo versions of the product were requested directly at the exhibition as well. Our team is actively working in the GCC region. During our participation in various events and exhibitions, it became clear that in order to successfully implement the platform in the region, it is necessary to ensure the constant presence of our team there. Doha has become particularly important, as it has the potential to become a key regional center for business development in the countries of the Gulf Cooperation Council. As of September 1, 2025, our executive team moved to Doha, and the company officially opened a permanent representative office in Qatar. GemSpace and Gem Team are not just technologies. They are a well-thought-out strategy and rapid implementation. We scale products for growing markets where localized and secure solutions are in high demand. Today, our market is highly profitable and our approach is systematic. This makes our goals achievable and participation in the projects particularly valuable today. In the next video, we will look at the legal aspects of the project and the guarantees of shareholder income. These important details will allow you to gain a deeper understanding of the project structure and assess its reliability and transparency for investors. Thank you for your time.